Most sellers don't know that you can change your advertising spend to only charge a credit card instead of your seller account. Right now, it charges your seller account by default, but you can have it charge something like an American Express Gold card, which gets you not 1, 2, it gets you 4 times as many points. And points means money. Just getting 4x back is pretty good when you're spending money. If you spend money and you get money back, that sounds like a good deal to me, especially when these points, American Express, can be used for flights, they can be used for hotels, and American Express gives you the best deals. You can see right here, 4x membership reward points on your top 2 categories. And guess what one of them is? Purchases at media providers for advertising and select media, online TV, radio. So if you're running any ads, you can get 4x back. And I have confirmed this. Yes, Amazon is one of them. Facebook is one of them, right? So that's going to be one of your biggest deal breakers. And you'll get an extra $1,000 to $2,000 a month back minimum just by attaching your card and not having it charge your seller center account, right? So their ads are running, your rewards are being earned. You're actually making money at this point, which isn't bad. Can't beat that. Now, a lot of people don't know how to actually change. Like, how do you change it? So you're going to go into your seller center account. You're going to go into advertising. You're going to go to campaign manager. Once you're in campaign manager, what we're going to do is we're going to go all the way down, administration, right? And then we're going to go to billing, all the way in the bottom left-hand corner. Click on billing. So something like this, right? You got your overview. You got your whole billing, your billing info right here. Now, what you can see is Canada, Mexico. I'm just going to do Canada just for an example. So I'm going to click on Canada. Just click on Canada, the name. Once you click on it, it's going to look something like this. Then it's going to say payment method, seller account balance. This is our default. A default is subtracting from your seller account. You're going to want it to charge your credit card. It's not going to charge you any extra fees. So just charge the credit card. You're going to click change payment profile. Once you're there, you can add your credit card, and now you can click save and you'll be good to go. That's pretty much it. You can see it was charging this one, the seller account, and now we're having it charge the American Express Gold so we can get that 4x back. Once it starts charging, just check your American Express or Chase, whoever you're using, and just double check you are getting that ROI back, and then you'll be good to go. And each penny counts when it comes to Amazon. But that's pretty much it. Get a credit card, have it charge those credit cards instead of charging your seller account, because you might as well get as much back as you can since you're spending the money. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, signing out.